Hey folks, Daren Stottrup here. I'm just packing up a bunch of my camera gear. Last night I was hanging out with a good friend of mine and local artist, Drew Davis, and he was telling me about how a local travel bureau here in San Luis Obispo by the name of SLOCAL had just hired him to do a painting workshop over at Laetitia Winery this morning for a bunch of international influencers and travel guide video hosts and journalists and a whole bunch of people from all over the world. So they're doing an event where they're having them all come here to San Luis Obispo, giving them a tour around town and all around the local areas. Drew was telling me that he'd love to have the thing documented, and if I had time today, that I should come and do it. So he pulled some strings, I called to work, got the day off, and so anyway, I'm just gathering my camera gear right now. I have to be over there at Laetitia Vineyards at 8 o'clock this morning. So I'm gonna finish gathering everything up here, but we'll pick this up over there at the winery. All right, so here we are over at Laetitia Winery. In the background, you can probably see Drew Davis. He's setting everything up for the event, and people are about to start arriving here pretty soon, so we're just setting things up.
Don't worry, it's not as easy as it looks. I fell in love with painting when I was about 16 years old, but I've been teaching for about 4 years, kind of doing these little pop-up art bar painting sessions here, and it's been really cool. I really enjoy teaching.
Well, that's it, folks. Just finished filming and photographing Drew Davis's painting workshop, put together by SLOCAL here at Laetitia Winery. I was telling them about my grandma's 100th birthday tomorrow, and well, when you're watching this, will be a few weeks ago. But anyway, they're sending me home with this beautiful rosé, so I'm really excited to give that to my grandma tomorrow. Anyway, that's all for today, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Drew, how do you think things went?
It was a great time. It was really fun to meet all the people that came from all over. And good wine. I'm drinking the bubbly right now and calling it a day.
I got to try some of that. We've got the Pinot Noir actually right in front of the Pinot Noir grapes that these are grown from. So this is perfect.
There
Cheers.
it is. Cheers.
Until next time.